Eighth question. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A minus 1 comma minus 1, B minus 1 comma 4, C 5 comma 4 and D 5 comma minus 1. P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Is the quadrilateral PQRS a square, a rectangle or a rhombus? And justify your answer. So the situation is, there is a rectangle ABCD whose midpoints are PQRS, and then this quadrilateral PQRS, we have to tell, is it a square, is it a rectangle or is it a rhombus, and we have to justify the answer also. So what we can do, first we will find the coordinates of P, Q, R and S, then we will find the lengths PQ, the sides PQ, QR, RS and PS using distance formula, and then we will see if it is it has same sides, then it will be a square, if or a rhombus, and then we will find the diagonals also to confirm which type of quadrilateral is it. So let's first find the coordinates of P. P will be midpoint of AB, so x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 1, that is minus 1 minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 4 by 2. So we get minus 1 comma 3 by 2. Then Q in the same way, minus 1 plus 5 by 2, comma 4 plus 4 by 2, that is 2 comma 4. Then R 5 plus 5 by 2, comma minus 1 minus 4 by 2. So it will be 5 comma 3 by 2. Sorry, it's minus 1 plus 4. So it will be 3 by 2. Then S minus 1 plus 5 by 2, comma minus 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 comma minus 1. So the coordinates of PQRS we have found out. P is minus 1 comma 3 by 2, Q is 2 comma 4, R is 5 comma 3 by 2 and S is 2 comma minus 1. Now let's find out the sides PQ, QR, RS. And PS. So we'll use the distance formula. So first of all, PQ, I'll write the distance formula once. So it will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and whole under the square root. So P and Q, that is 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. This comes out to be square root 61 by 4. Let's find QR now. So QR 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 3 by 2, that is 5 minus 2 square plus 3 by 2 minus 4 square. Again we will get square root 61 by 4. Then RS same 5 comma 3 by 2 and 2 comma minus 1. So 2 minus 5 whole square plus minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Again we will get square root 61 by 4. Then PS P is minus 1 comma 3 by 2, S is 2 comma minus 1. So 2 minus minus 1 means 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Again we will get square root of 61 by 4. So for now we have seen that all the four sides are same, PQ, QR, RS and PS, that is all the four sides are same. So either it can be a square or it can be a rhombus. The square has same length of the diagonals, but the rhombus do not have the same length of diagonals. So let's find out the diagonals now. So diagonals are PR and QS. So PR, again using the distance formula, PR, that is 2 minus minus 1 means 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Coordinates of R are 5 comma 3 by 2. So it will be P is minus 1 comma 3 by 2 and R is 5 comma 3 by 2. So 5 minus minus 1 means 5 plus 1 whole square and 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So we get 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 square, which is 36, and 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 0. 0 square is 0. So square root of 36 is 6 units. So we get PR as 6 units. Let's find PR we have found out. Now SQ. Now SQ, S is 2 comma minus 1, Q is 2 comma 4. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 whole square. So we will get 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 square is 0, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, minus 5 square is 25. So we get 5 units. So it means we got that PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to PS, but PR is not equal to SQ. So we can say that it is a rhombus. So PQRS is a rhombus. So this is the final answer.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.